Welcome to day 3 of our 365 Days of Mindfulness challenge. Today, we're exploring mindful eating, a practice that turns a simple meal into a moment of mindfulness. In a world filled with distractions, we often eat on autopilot. Mindful eating invites us to slow down and fully savor the experience of nourishing our bodies. Let's guide you through today's mindfulness practice. Eating with awareness. Grab a small snack, like a piece of fruit, a few nuts, or even a single piece of chocolate. Find a quiet space where you can focus. Ready? Let's begin. Before taking your first bite, pause, look at your food, notice its colors, textures, and shapes. Take a moment to appreciate where it came from and the effort involved in bringing it to you. Bring the food close to your nose. Inhale deeply and notice its aroma. What do you smell? Sweetness, earthiness, or perhaps a hint of spice? Allow yourself to fully experience the scent. Take a small bite, but don't chew immediately. Let the food sit on your tongue. Notice the initial flavors and textures. Is it smooth, crunchy, sweet, or tangy? Explore the sensation before you begin chewing. Now chew slowly. Focus on the movement of your jaw, the changing texture of the food, and the way the flavors evolve. Chew thoroughly and notice when the urge to swallow naturally arises. After swallowing, take a moment to reflect. How does your body feel? Are you more aware of your hunger or satisfaction? Pause before taking another bite, repeating the process if you'd like. So, why does mindful eating matter? It helps you slow down, connect with your body's hunger and fullness cues, and truly enjoy your meals. It's a simple way to transform eating into an act of self-care. Mindful eating isn't about perfection. It's about bringing awareness to one of life's simplest and most essential acts. Now, let's reflect. How did mindful eating change the way you experienced your food? Did you notice anything new? For more mindfulness practices, visit the Serenity Mindset blog. A detailed guide for today's practice is linked in the description. Thank you for joining us on day 3 of the 365 Days of Mindfulness challenge. Let's take this mindful approach to eating into every meal we share. See you tomorrow for day 4. Stay serene and savor each moment.